college, sparks were flying in Albert Lea today, literally. That's because the 7th annual weld contest took place at Riverland Community College. 23 area high schools were taking part in it. Almost 90 students were competing, showing off their welding skills. This year's winner participated last year for the first time and finished first last year as well.
I'm very, very excited and lucky, I guess, and all the skill that all the times practicing and stuff, it all paid off. So I'm pretty proud of it, pretty happy.
Industry speakers and demos went on at the college throughout the rest of the day.